But importantly here, what we did find, this just shows you how fussy our gut microbes are. There's one microbe sitting in everyone in this auditorium that's waiting for coffee. And if you have it, it goes crazy and has 8 times the abundance of those that are only drinking tea. But it's very patient and it's very selective. It doesn't eat anything else. It just goes into hibernation if it's not being fed coffee. And the reason you get it in the first place, because you're not born with it, is we're surrounded by coffee drinkers. And they're kissing you or breathing on you or doing something else to you, and that gives you the coffee microbe. So this is the strongest association we've found of any food. But it just illustrates the fact that your microbes they're not going to be content to have the same food every day. And if you're not feeding it exactly the right ingredient, it's not going to grow and you're not going to get this richness in your gut microbiome that you need to thrive, that you need to produce this huge range of chemicals that they can do. So you need diversity. This is what it's trying to illustrate.